Hey, it's Rachel here with WTI, and I just finished using my Gua Sha tool, and I can't believe how relaxing this thing is. So Gua Sha has been used for a long time. It helps to drain fluid in the face, so you're gonna look less puffy. And it also increases circulation, which eventually is gonna help to reduce wrinkles. I chose the Rena Gua Sha tool because it won't break. That is super important for me. So to use it, I'll start on one side of my forehead, applying light pressure. I'll drag the tool all the way to my scalp line. I'll do that as well with a small edge under my eyes and then also on top of my eyebrow. I'll do each of these movements 8 times. And so that's on one side of my face, then I'll do the other side. I'll also do my cheek, and so I'll pull it all the way as well to my hairline. And then my favorite is my neck. I will just drag it down, and I find it really helps to drain the fluid, and I find it so relaxing. I love that this is stainless steel, so it's not gonna break. It's nice and small, so it's perfect to take with me if I'm traveling. It's incredibly easy to clean as well, so it's not going to contain bacteria. I love that as well about it. So if you're looking for a simple tool to improve the overall appearance of your skin, to decrease puffiness, definitely give this Gua Sha tool a try. I love it, I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.